There are three main types of pulleys. 1. Fixed pulleys. Structure. The pulley is fixed to a support, such as a ceiling or wall. Function. It changes the direction of the force applied to the rope or cable, but it does not increase the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. 1. 2. Movable pulleys. Structure. The pulley is attached to the load and moves with it. Function. It increases the mechanical advantage by reducing the amount of force required to lift the load. Mechanical advantage. 2 for a single movable pulley, and increases with the number of movable pulleys in a system. 3. Compound pulleys. Structure. A combination of fixed and movable pulleys. Function. They offer the highest mechanical advantage by combining the benefits of both fixed and movable pulleys. Mechanical advantage depends on the specific configuration of the compound pulley system. Here are some additional types of pulleys. Block and tackle, a specific type of compound pulley system that uses multiple fixed and movable pulleys to achieve a high mechanical advantage. Cone pulley, used in machines like bicycles to adjust the gear ratio. Swivel eye pulley, has a swiveling eye attachment for flexibility and ease of use. Here's an image to illustrate the three main types of pulleys.